Hello guys, ngayon tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-solve ng derivatives gamit ang product rule at quotient rule. So para sa product rule ay gagamit tayo ng formula na the derivative of f of x times g of x is equals to f of x times g prime of x, or the derivatives of g of x plus g of x times derivative of f of x. So, dali lang to guys, isa-substitute lang natin ang mga value. So, f of x, which is 2x plus 3, times the derivative of g of x. So, ang g of x natin is 3x plus 2. So, gagamitin natin dito ang constant multiple rule, which is constant times the derivative of x, which is 1. So, ang mangyari dito is magiging 3. And ang katabi niya naman is plus 2. So, this is constant. So, it will be automatically equated to 0. So, di natin siya kailangan isulat pa. So, plus g of x, which is 3x plus 2, times the derivative of f of x, which is 2x plus 3. Kukunin natin yung derivatives nito, magiging constant 2 times the derivative of x, which is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. And then ang 3 is constant, so magiging 0 siya. And hindi natin siya kailangan isulat. So ngayon, simplify na lang natin ang equation. So 2x plus 3 times 3 magiging 6x plus 9 plus 2 times 3x plus 2 is magiging 6x plus 4. I-combine like terms na natin siya. 6x plus 6x, which is 12x. Then 9 plus 4 is equals to 15. So guys, ito ang derivatives natin using product rule. Now, mag-move on naman tayo sa quotient rule. May formula rin tayo dito, which is the derivative of f of x over g of x is equals to g of x times f prime of x minus f of x times g prime of x over g of x squared. So, ganun lang ulit guys, substitute natin ang mga value. So, magiging g of x, which is x minus 3, times the derivative of f of x, which is 2x plus 9. So, common multiple rule, tsaka constant rule. So, 2x magiging 2 times the derivative of x, which is 1, magiging 2, and 9 is a constant, so 0, di natin siya na isulat. Minus f of x, which is 2x plus 9, times the g prime of x, which is x minus 3, so 3, negative 3, constant, so 0 na siya. Hindi siya kailangan isama. And x, which is may katabi siyang 1, kaya magiging times 1. And since times 1, di natin siya kailangan pa isulat. Over g of x squared, which is x minus 3 squared. Simplify muna natin taas. X minus 3 times 2 is magiging 2x minus 6 minus 2x plus 9 over x minus 3 squared. So, combine like terms. Babaguhin natin ang sign ng subtrahend. So, from positive 9, magiging negative 9 na siya. Then, we proceed. 2x minus 2x is 0, so cancel. Then, negative 6 minus negative 9 will be 3 over x minus 3 squared. Kailangan pa natin siya i-simplify. So, magiging x times negative 3 is negative 3x times 2. So, magiging minus 6x. And negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. So, magiging plus 9. So, ang derivative ng ating quotient rule is 3 over x minus 6x plus 9. So, yun guys, sana may natutunan kayo.